The horsepower to torque converter calculates torque from horsepower and RPM, or horsepower from torque and RPM. Let's explore the inputs. First, we have a drop-down for calculation mode with two options: calculate torque from HP and RPM, or calculate horsepower from torque and RPM. For this demonstration, I'm selecting calculate torque from HP and RPM. Below that, we have the horsepower HP field where you enter your horsepower value. Next is the RPM field where you input your rotational speed. When you switch modes, you'll see the torque LBFT field and another RPM field instead. Let me walk through a calculation. I'll enter 10 for horsepower HP and 10 for RPM, then click calculate. The output shows calculated torque, 5252.00 lb-ft. The results display our input values: horsepower, 10 HP, and RPM, 10. It also shows the calculation formula. T equals 5252 times 10 divided by 10 equals 52550 lb-ft. This extremely high torque value occurs because we used an unrealistically low RPM of 10, demonstrating how torque increases dramatically as RPM decreases. This tool simplifies power transmission calculations for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.